Tired of spending $5 every morning on a latte you could make yourself? What if you could pull caf-quality espresso right from your own kitchen? In this video, we're breaking down the best espresso machines for home covering pressure, frothing, design, and value so you can finally make the right call. Let's get into it. The Casabrew CM5418 espresso machine kicks off our list as one of the most popular budget espresso picks out there, and honestly, it earns that reputation. It runs on a 20-bar pump with a thermoblock heating system and a 34-ounce water tank plenty for a few morning shots without constant refilling. What really stands out is how compact this thing is. It comes with a manual steam wand for frothing milk, making lattes and cappuccinos totally doable even as a beginner. A great starting point if you're new to home espresso. Next up, the Atatics espresso machine brings a clean stainless steel body to the table, and it looks far more expensive than it actually is. It features a removable water reservoir for easy refilling and a steam wand that handles milk-based drinks without much fuss. If you're someone who loves a good cappuccino or latte at home, this machine covers those bases well. The stainless steel build adds durability and a premium feel at an affordable price point. A solid choice for everyday home use. Number 3. Casabrew's 3700 Essential Espresso Machine. The Casabrew's 3700 Essential is basically the value king of the Casabrew's lineup. It's compact, it has a removable water tank, and it uses a 20-bar pump to pull espresso the way it should be pulled, under real pressure. If your counter space is tight and your budget is tighter, this one makes a strong case. The steam wand is included, so you're not giving up milk drinks either. Best value pick in the Casabrew's family, simple as that. Coming in at number 4, the Breville commercial espresso maker is designed to look and feel like it belongs in a caf. The stainless steel build is sturdy, the styling is professional, and it handles espresso, cappuccino, and latte all in one machine. It's a great fit if you want that caf-inspired experience at home without paying caf prices. The steam wand does a solid job on milk, and the larger tank means fewer interruptions during your morning routine. A real head-turner on any countertop. Number 5. Shy XUBX Coffee Machine. The Shy XUBX Coffee Machine earns its spot as a compact powerhouse for small kitchens and apartments. It features a removable water reservoir, a built-in steam wand, and a footprint small enough to fit on even the most crowded counter. Don't let the size fool you, this machine pulls real espresso and handles milk drinks too. If you're working with limited space but still want the full espresso experience, this one punches above its weight. A smart pick for apartment living. Number 6. Chulux Slim Espresso Machine. The Chulux Slim Espresso Machine takes the compact design idea even further with its narrow body built specifically for tight spaces. It's got a removable water tank and a professional-style steam wand, so you're not sacrificing function for form. If your kitchen counter is basically a Tetris board, this is your machine. It brews real espresso and froths milk without taking up the space of a traditional machine. The ultimate space-saving pick for espresso lovers on a budget. Number 7. Breville Barista Express Espresso Machine. Okay, let's level up. The Breville Barista Express is the machine that home barista dreams are made of. It has a built-in conical burr grinder, a 15-bar Italian pump, PID temperature control, and a massive 67-ounce water tank all in one sleek unit. You go from fresh beans to espresso shot without needing a separate grinder. That's the real game changer here. The manual steam wand gives you full control over your milk texture, and the 54mm portafilter means you're working with professional tools. The best all-in-one setup for serious home baristas. Number 8. Keenstar 3.5 Bar Espresso Machine. The Keenstar 3.5 Bar Espresso Machine is about as entry-level as it gets, and there's nothing wrong with that. It brews at 3.5 bar using a steam-based system, heats up fast, and keeps things simple for anyone just dipping their toes into home espresso. It won't replace a high-pressure machine, but it will make a decent cup of strong coffee with frothed milk at a price that's hard to argue with. If you're just starting out and want to keep it basic, this is a stress-free starting point. Number 9. Ercana Espresso Machine. The Ercana Espresso Machine brings a stainless steel housing and a clean, modern look to your kitchen setup. It's got a removable water tank, a steam wand frother, and solid support for espresso, latte, and cappuccino drinks. It hits that sweet spot between looking good and doing the job well without overcomplicating things. If you want a reliable, everyday machine that feels sturdy and looks modern, Ercana is a name worth considering. Great for daily home use without breaking the bank. Number 10. Chardor Espresso Machine. The Chardor Espresso Machine is for the person who wants a little more control at their fingertips, literally. It features a touchscreen interface with adjustable temperature settings, giving you more precision than most machines in this price range. The steam wand is included, and the larger tank means you can make multiple drinks without stopping to refill. If you like the idea of dialing in your espresso with digital controls, Chardor delivers that experience at home. A smart pick for tech-savvy coffee drinkers. Number 11. DeLonghi Classic Signature Espresso Machine. The DeLonghi Classic Signature brings the weight of one of the most trusted names in espresso to your countertop. It features temperature control, a manual steam wand, and a removable water reservoir, all wrapped in that signature DeLonghi design you've probably seen at coffee shops. When you pay a little more for DeLonghi, you're paying for reliability and years of brand refinement. It's consistent, it looks great, and it just works the way you expect it to. A premium pick that you can trust day after day. Closing out our list is the Mr. Coffee 4-Shot Steam Espresso Machine, a classic that's been around forever for good reason. It brews using steam pressure, holds 4 shots at once, and comes with a glass serving carafe and a built-in frothing wand. It's not going to win any spec wars, but for a no-fuss, budget-friendly espresso setup, it absolutely delivers the basics. If you're hosting brunch, or just want a simple machine that makes drinkable espresso without a learning curve, Mr. Coffee has you covered. So there you have it, 12 of the best espresso machines for home across every budget. If we had to pick 2 standouts, the Breville Barista Express is unbeatable for enthusiasts, and the Casa Brews is the smartest budget buy. Links for everything are in the description below. Which one caught your eye? Drop it in the comments, we'd love to know. And if this helped, hit that like button, subscribe, and ring the bell so you never miss a video. See you in the next one.